answerable to anyone, but एक बहुत बड़ा एलिगेशन जब हो जाता है, जब किसी के रिलेशनशिप को भी खास तौर पे भाई बहन के रिलेशनशिप पर बोला जाता है। वेल, करण मेहरा ने जो एलिगेशंस लगाए हैं वो कुछ इसी तरीके से है। उन्होंने कहा है कि जिनको आप भाई बोलती थी, आप उन्हीं के साथ में रिलेशनशिप में थी, और ये सब उनके आंखों के सामने पीठ पीछे हो रहा था।
No, he's lying about it. He's lying about it. The way he's saying it is completely wrong. And I think that, again, like I said, that कुछ चीज़ें बहुत complicated होती है उनको समझाना इस तरीके से, and therefore I don't want to even touch that topic. I've already said जो मैं कर रही हूँ उसके लिए मैं answerable नहीं हूँ किसी को. As far as I'm not hurting anybody, everything is okay. This is what I feel.
उनकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद जिसके साथ आपको जोड़ा गया था, क्या उनकी फैमिली की तरफ से आपको कुछ प्रेशर या कुछ चीज़ों का?
I don't want to comment on someone else here. Today I'm here to talk about me. तो मैं सिर्फ अपनी ही ज़ुबानी फर्स्ट हैंड इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको दूंगी. I don't have the right to talk about someone else's family or to quote anybody.
उन्होंने कुछ बोला क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा था कि उनकी भी वाइफ है, उनके भी बच्चे.
I will let's see, everyone is an adult. मैं किसी की representative नहीं हूँ जिनको अपने लिए बात करने के लिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा था like you said. So now also he can talk and you can reach out and talk. I'm not gonna like represent anybody. I'm only representing myself here today. So any questions directly pertaining to me जो मुझे लगेगा I can answer, I'll be happy to answer.
You also said कि कुछ लोग हैं जो बीच में टूट गए, उन लोगों ने भी बोलना स्टार्ट कर दिया.
I'll come to that point.
हाँ.
I'll come to that point.
Okay, ठीक है, आप
Yeah.
आइए.
I'll come and then we'll take that question.
You want to talk about yourself and you were representing yourself.
Yes.
So this technically concerns you. What is the nature of your relationship with him? Because Karan has accused you of being in a relationship with him. So if you can just clear the air.
So I feel it's not pertaining to the case. It's not important for me to clear the air, and only because Karan has put an allegation on me, he'll tomorrow say that he wants the moon, or he'll say Nisha went and got the sun or ate it up, or he'll say anything out of his whims and fantasies. I can't give a reply to everything he says. And I'm not comfortable sharing certain things about my life because I don't think that I'm answerable for those areas of my life. Everybody has the right to draw a boundary around them, and I think I should also be given that right. Only because I'm a public figure and we are in this open communication where people can ask me questions doesn't mean that I have to answer every question. So I'll just like to respectfully, not take up this question. Yeah? Can I move on to the next one? What do I say about Kavish? हमने sporadically हर point में उसके बारे में बात की है. But Karan has said I'm not a good mother. He's asked for full custody. He has said I'm completely mentally unstable. और वो धीरे धीरे वो unstable उनके counter petition में वो मुझे पूरा पागल ही बना दिया उन्होंने. Okay? And he said चाहे 5 साल लगे या 5 महीने लगे, he is going to remove Kavish of my custody. So, like I said.
भी सामने आई थी कि आपको सच में कुछ इश्यूज हैं, और जहाँ पे आपने भी कुछ छोटी बातें की थी, तो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज, क्योंकि काफी लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि कुछ ऐसा है भी या नहीं है.
नो, आई डोंट थिंक कि कोई कन्फ्यूजन की बात है, बिकॉज इस बारे में मैंने लॉकअप में बहुत ओपनली बात की है अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ, and I'm a huge promoter and an advocate of mental health. I talk about it openly. To shame somebody for their mental health issues is not the right thing to do. And we live in today's times where all of us have some or the other kind of a thing. It's just that it's not detected. क्योंकि हमारी सोसाइटी में एक स्टिग्मा है, हम ओपनली जाते नहीं हैं. लोगों को अगर हम बोले नहीं कुछ इसका है मेंटल हेल्थ इशू, कैन वी विजिट अ साइकियाट्रिस्ट, लोग बोलते ओ माय गॉड ये पागल हो गई है क्या, ये साइकियाट्रिस्ट के पास जाएगी. वी नो इट, वी आर ऑल लिविंग इन दिस सोसाइटी, वी नो द स्टिग्मा दैट्स अटैच्ड टू मेंटल हेल्थ, right? So yes, I've had challenges in the past, but the way he's saying it, that I'm crazy, I'm mental, I'm incapacitated to take care of my child, that's not correct. That's not correct. मैं एक प्रोफेशनल हूँ, इतने सालों से काम कर रही हूँ, बहुत लोगों के साथ काम किया, चाहे वो प्रोडक्शन हाउसेज हो, डायरेक्टर्स हो. आई हैव ट्रैवल्ड द वर्ल्ड. आई एम अ प्रोफेशनल. आई रिपोर्ट टू माई शूट्स ऑन टाइम. आई लर्न माई डायलॉग्स. I raise my invoices. I'm conducting a home, a child, his education. I meet the teachers for PTM. I make sure he does his homework. How else can you prove that you're mentally stable? And you really don't have to. You really don't have to prove it. It's just out there.
Does he have any proof, like doctor से related या psychiatrist से related, या आपका जो mental health है वो इतना खराब है जो?
How can he have proof about मेरा mental health खराब है? This happened in, मैंने इस बारे में लॉकअप में भी बोला है बहुत elaborately. So I don't know if I should repeat it because I didn't think we would talk about this today. But yes, in 2014, we had a child which we miscarried. In 2015, there was an extremely abusive incident that happened in our life, my life. And Karan was not at all supportive during that time. And whether it was emotionally, in any way, whether I wanted therapy, I've written all these things. मैंने last time आप लोगों को ये बात बताई थी, I think in the first press conference, and then lockup में भी ये बात थोड़ी सी about mental health के बारे में बात हुई थी. इसकी भी जो भी evidences हैं वो कोर्ट में submit हो चुके हैं. And that time we were almost like going through a breakup of sorts, you know. And we were not happy. Like I was not happy but he was busy, right? He didn't have the time. And that is the time when I had gone to a therapist and I was detected with depression or depressive phase of bipolarity. Bipolarity is a mood disorder. But then I went for my therapy sessions. It went on for about a few months and then it was all okay. But saying something like you're mentally unstable, Karan ko pata hai that I've been a primary caretaker of our child Kavish. Does he not even think of the impact that it will have on Kavish's brain या Kavish's mental health अगर मैं और वो अलग हो जाते हैं? Because Kavish and we have a very strong bond. तो आप क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो और क्यों कर रहे हो? अगर आप बच्चे का भला चाहते हो, बच्चा अच्छे स्कूल में जा रहा है, उसकी परवरिश अच्छे से हो रही है और हो रही थी भी जब आप बिजी थे, आप अपना शूट कर रहे हो, आप यहाँ वहाँ जा रहे हो, तो बच्चे की तभी भी परवरिश हो रही थी. So how can you go as far as saying that she is not a good mother, she is mentally unstable? You'll have to prove it, mister. You'll have to prove it. And you're not a doctor, and neither is your lawyer a doctor. Right? So don't try to become one. I mean, you can't just say anything and not just support it.